Hi guys, and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to add Sezzle to Shopify. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and search for How to Add Sezzle to Shopify 2023. In here, there is a link, and then options are step-by-step on how to add it. But now we're going to scroll down. We're going to go to help.sezzle.com with the question, how do I add Sezzle to Shopify? Once you find it, click on the link, and then wait for the website to finish loading. Once you are here, step 1, install Sezzle Payments. Just click on this word, and then it will lead you to an extension where you can download it. It's from the apps.shopify.com. Step 1, let's add the app. Click on the button this time. In here, choose an account as to which Shopify account you're going to be using. Click on it, and then wait for the website to finish loading. This will take a few seconds, but don't worry, I'm here waiting as well. Once the website loads, we will now proceed with the next step, which is this one. In here, they're looking for authentication. All you have to do is click on Install App on the upper right. Now wait for the website to load once again. It's taking quite long, but don't you worry, it should be done soon. In here, you're going to scroll down, and then there's a public API key and a private API key. Make sure you input those details and then click on Save. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.